Okay, well, we got her pretty much all back together. That other motor in. A few things we had to change. The oil pump on the other motor. This is the oil pump that was on it. In front of the bologna slicer. It sits like so. Yeah, I have it upside down. Or like so. For this pump, sits way down in there. You can see that or not, that's way down inside. Got a few things I still want to do. The seat's just sitting there. Gotta fasten it down. This is the clutch that was on the motor in the Formula Z. That's the clutch that's going on it because it has a ring gear on it. So we'll clean that one up and make sure it's good. Clean that clutch up. I had it running, took it for a ride around the yard, no hood or nothing. It went real good. I have a test pilot coming out here soon. I'm going to set this here if I can. This is cold, so we'll see. If I have to pull too many times, I'll have to edit my film.